In this video, we'll be solving for two missing angles. We have to find the value for angle RQT. This is RQT, this angle here, and angle SQT, this other angle. Okay, now before we solve, let us analyze this figure we have here. We are told that PQRS is a rhombus. And the properties of a rhombus says that opposite angles are equal. So applying that, this angle over here is opposite angle to angle P. So it's going to be 78 degrees. Now, also, another property of a rhombus is that the opposite sides are parallel. So that means line PS is parallel to this opposite side RQ, and line SR is parallel to line PQ. Now, we are also told that angle SRT is an equilateral triangle. So meaning that all sides are equal and that each angle equals 60 degrees. Okay, now the first angle I want to find here is angle RQT. Why? Because if we consider triangle RTQ is an isosceles triangle, right? Because we have two sides equal, therefore the base angles are equal. So if we call this A, we also call this A. So let's find angle RQT using the sum of the interior angles in a triangle. Now we have the total angle here now for angle R is 138 if we sum 60 and 78. So we're going to have A plus A, that's the base angles, plus 138 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2A equals, let's subtract 138 from both sides. We have 180 degree minus 138 degree. 2A is equal to 180 minus 138 would give 42 degree. So we divide both sides by 2 to find the value for A. We have 21 degrees. So A equals 21 degree. And remember, our A is for angle RQT. So therefore, A is equal to angle RQT is equal to 21 degree. Now, the next thing we are going to do here in order to find angle SQT is to find other angles that share a relationship with it. Okay, so considering triangle SPQ now is another isosceles triangle because of this marked equal sides. Okay, so if we know this angle, we can find the base angles. Let's call them X. Therefore, we have X plus X plus 78 degree is equal to 180 degree. We are considering this triangle. So we have 2x equals 180 degree minus 78 degree. 2x equals 180 minus 78, we have 102 degree. We divide both sides by 2. The value for x equals 51 degree. So this base angle here is 51 degree. This angle is also 51 degree. Remember that line SR is parallel to line PQ, right? And line SQ is now serving as a transversal. So if this angle is 51 degree, this angle here is also 51 degree because they are alternate angles. Now, because we know this angle and we know some of these angles, we can conveniently find the value for angle SQT using the property of a rhombus that says the opposite angles are equal. So we're going to equate these two angles. Equating angle S to angle Q, we have 51 degree plus 51 degree is equal to 51 plus 21. Remember, angle A is 21 degree plus, let's call this Q, plus Q. So 51 plus 51 is 102 degree. is equal to 51 plus 21 is 72 degree plus Q. We subtract 72 from both sides. We have Q is equal to 102 degree minus 72 degree. Q equals 30 degree. Remember our Q is for angle SQT. So Q is equal to angle SQT is equal to 30 degree. And that's our answers. If you find this helpful, please do not forget to leave me a comment, like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.